Welcome to lesson 71, division answers ending in 0. The first thing that we need to talk about is what we do in situations in division where we really can't divide using our divisor. The number is either too small, well usually it generally happens when the number is too small and we just cannot be divided. Let me give you things that you need to have in your notes, and then I'll show you some examples of situations that happen like this in division. First off, in your notes, you need to note division answers may end in a 0. So we need to continue dividing until all of the digits inside the division box, that would be here or here or here, have been used. Let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. In this situation, we have 200 pennies and we want them separated into into 4 groups. So we begin with tackling it. We say 4 goes into 2, we can't do that. 4 goes into 25, we say 5 times. So 5 times 4 is 20. We subtract and we get 0. The tendency of some of my students is to stop right here. But let's think about this. 5 groups of 4, if we were to put that in, that would only be 20 pennies. We're wanting to work with 200 pennies. We need to use all of our digits in our division box. So I pull my 0 down and I say 4. 0 can be divided by 4 how many times? 0. And there we have it. Now we can check this by saying 50 times 4. We put our 0 down and we say 4 times 5 is 20. And behold, our answers match. So that is one situation where we have zeros, an answer ending in 0. Here's another situation. We have 121 divided by 3. I look at the 12. I know that 12 can be divided by 3 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. I subtract. I get a beautiful number, 0. Now I pull down my 1. I bring it down. But wait a minute. 1 cannot be divided by 3. It just can't. When those situations, when the number is smaller than the divisor, then we say, sorry, can't do it, and we put a 0. And then we say 0 times 3 is 0. We do all the steps, subtract. We have 40, remainder 1. Finally, our last example. Please do this with me. 5 goes into 25 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. We can see right now where this is heading. 4 cannot be divided by 5. It's too small. So we say, sorry, and we 0, subtract, and our remainder is 4. One thing to note is, as always, when we have a remainder, our remainder must be less. Must be less than our divisor. If it is larger, then you need to go back and look at your math, because there's another multiple of that number that you can use. That being said, join me at the practice set where we can do more of these. I'll see you there.